The museum today.
Madame Tussauds Waxworks Museum is one of London's most popular tourist attractions. You often see long queues of people waiting to visit their favourite lifelike stars, from Star Wars characters and the US President to Prince William and Kate. It is amazing that in our technologically advanced world, people still want to touch and stand next to models made of wax. It takes 4 months to make a model and costs about £150,000. There are Madame Tussauds museums all over the world, from Hollywood to Beijing. So where and when was the museum born, and who was Madame Tussaud?
Who was Madame Tussaud?
Marie Tussaud was born in 1761 in Strasbourg. Her father, a soldier, died before she was born. When Marie was still very young, her mother moved to Switzerland, where she worked as a housekeeper for a doctor called Philippe Curtius. Marie and her mother lived with the doctor. He could make brilliant wax models. Marie loved these and wanted to learn how to make them. In 1766, Curtius moved to Paris. A year later, Marie and her mother joined him. Marie showed real talent for wax modelling, and during the 1780s, she worked on them with Curtius. It was the time of the French Revolution, and a frightened Marie started making death masks for people who were guillotined, including King Louis XVI and Queen Marie Antoinette.
The move to England.
Philippe Curtius died in 1794, and Marie inherited his waxworks. 1 year later, she married Francois Tussaud, and 2 sons were born. But the marriage was not successful. In 1802, Marie moved to England with the waxworks and her son Joseph. Francois stayed in France with the other son. Marie couldn't speak a word of English, but she worked hard and she started touring the country with her models. She visited over 70 towns in 33 years. The English were fascinated by the wax masks of dead French aristocrats. In 1835, she opened her first museum in Baker Street, London, and she worked there until 1842. She died in London on the 16th of April, 1850. She was 88. In 1884, her grandsons moved the museum to the Marylebone Road, where it still is today.